Young patrols, arise and shine. Shine in honor. Honor to defend your nation, the nation of Zimbabwe. Remember the young patrols of the second Chimurenga. Young patrols who left their villages, fathers, mothers, and families to join the liberation struggle to defend their nation. Remember the young patriots who left formal education, some as young as 14, to defend and die in honor of their nation. The young patriots maimed and slaughtered in defense of their nation. Spirits now, arise and shine, young patrons. Defend your land in honor. Let's preserve this hard-won independence. You are the future of patriotism. Let's work hard to emulate our leaders. Young patrons are ready to be empowered, ready to till the land, ready to mine the precious minerals, ready to be 51% shareholders, ready to die for the nation. Youths of today are ready to emulate our gallant sons and daughters of second Chimurenga, ready to fight actions, ready to die in honor and preserve the gains of the liberation struggle. Do not be deceived, young patrons.